This is what route we took on the journey today from Carlisle to Birmingham International. It took 3 hours and 10 minutes with the UK's high-speed train, Avanti West Coast, Class 390. Hope you enjoy. Alright, so we're walking in now. Today's going to be a fairly nice warm day in Birmingham. It said getting up to 21 degrees in Birmingham actually. And in Carlisle, it said it was going to get up to about 17. We're walking through the double doors now. On the right side, there's WH Smith's. You can get something to eat. And then the check-in for Avanti West Coast. We're going through another pair of double doors and look at the roof. It looks so nice. The glass roof as well. We don't need to cross the bridge over there to get to the platform we need to, because it will be on the platform that we are on right now actually. You can see there's quite a lot of people on the platform waiting for this train going all the way down to London Euston, but it will be stopping at Birmingham International. That's why there's loads of people. But anyways, okay, here's the train coming in now, the one that we're going to be taking. The journey is going to be quite a while actually. This is probably the longest journey I've had on a train. Which is 3 hours and 10 minutes anyways. We're in coach F, so we will start to walk down. But yeah. Alright, we're at window 44 or seat 44, whatever you want to say. Just putting my bag down now. There's not much room because we didn't get one of those big table seats with like 2 seats beside each other, like the family seats, you know what I mean? Anyways, we're about to depart in about 2 minutes.
Crewe, Stafford, Wolverhampton, Sandwell and Dudley, Birmingham New Street, Birmingham International, Coventry. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
As you can see, we're now in the Lake District. We're going about 125 miles per hour right now. We're going to be passing Penrith shortly. On the journey, I got a Coke and a chocolate muffin for this long journey, which was quite nice actually. We just zoomed right past Penrith, and in this clip we are leaving Lancaster Station, and I think the next station's Preston.
Welcome on board this Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Calling at...
We're leaving Preston now, and I could feel and also hear like a really heavy diesel locomotive, and I knew it wasn't a passenger train from the sound of it. But then when we exited the station, I could see blue and red and just different coloured containers. So I thought, well, it's a freight train. You can see there on the right side, wait for this northern train there. and it's probably a
Birmingham
class
New Street,
66 or a
Birmingham
class
International,
68
Coventry.
or class 88, either one.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016.
I mean, not at this time.
Welcome on board this Avanti West Coast service to London Euston, calling at...
We just exited Warrington Bank Quay, and in the distance I could see like power plants or some factory, which looked really cool, so I decided to record them. This is also passing Liverpool. We're now leaving Crewe Station, so we're currently and officially on the Northwest line, which heads down all the way down to London Euston. And as we're leaving, you can see that green train on the right in front of you. That is a London Northwest Railway, I think, which is a sign that we're closer to London, but not too close to London now. In this clip you can see we're approaching, it looks for you, it might look like a train yard, but it's actually a train museum called Crewe Heritage Centre, which is it's like a museum with old-fashioned trains. And just behind this orange one, it's a white, blue and yellow. There, it's the old ScotRail livery, which was cool to see, because some of these trains don't even run anymore. Quick little toilet review, couple posters on the wall. This is just disgusting. These like paper bags are all scrunched up, and in the sink as well you can see like mold around it. I don't know why I did that with the soap, I thought it was something else, but yeah. We're leaving Stafford now. We're like 30 minutes away, maybe not even that, from Birmingham International. The next stop will be Birmingham New Street and then Birmingham International, so we're really close. And at this time, in this clip, we have currently been on the train for about 2 hours and 40 minutes, maybe something like that. But it looked really cloudy, but it was about 17 degrees at 11 AM. We are now leaving Birmingham New Street, platform 1, and we're about to pass a West Midlands class. I don't even know, I've not seen these trains before because I don't live down south, but I just know it's a West Midlands, which is like an orangey colour. And once we have passed this, at the very bottom you can see a cross country in the distance as well, class 170 I think. But yeah, these trains are quite good to see for first time. We're now at Birmingham International. Right in front is the airport car park, which is also connected to the airport, and the station's also connected to the airport as well. We have officially arrived into Birmingham International train station. I think we're on platform 2, and we're gonna get something to eat now. Be sure to comment, subscribe as well, because this is my new channel where I upload railway and aviation videos. So if you're into that stuff, or you just feel generous, subscribe and enjoy your day.